Taters.
Oh.
Kind of bougie. Where the Llano and the James River comes, the James River comes together in South Texas, Central Texas. Got the boys behind me. Up there's the campsite.
What? From black pepper?
I don't know what y'all put in it, but it's a little spicy.
We put special stuff in yours. Eggs and sausage and hash browns. End result.
Hi, Eugene.
The Dos Rios campground. Paul, what was your favorite thing about today?
Awesome. Cold. Windy.
What was your favorite part? Did you enjoy eating the dust?
Yeah. Lunch was the best part.
Mud pies.
Jerry's got his haven set up. What was your favorite part about today?
Any day on two wheels is awesome, dude. You know that.
Amen. Major Jerry, what was your favorite part about today?
Oh, just the ride. Ride down here. And the dirt.
Any particular favorite part?
Oh, I enjoyed the dirt.
Yeah, it was fun.
It was good. But it was a nice hard packed dirt.
It was fast dirt, wasn't it?